everyone. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I am coming with my very first product review. I'm really excited. They contacted me on the email and asked me would I be interested in reviewing the product. So I want to share it with you guys. Since I received it, I have been playing around with it to see how it works. You know, check it out. That's what your girl does. So if you're interested in seeing what I have, stick around. Okay, guys. Now, what I received from a company called COMLIFE. And the company sent me this portable heater. So, now, with this heater, I have been playing with it. And the heater, what I like about it is it's a reasonable price, guys. It is $35.99 for this portable heater. Now, they are an Amazon-based company. So they sent me this product here, and I'm going to unbox it and let you guys see what it looks like. Now, in the box comes a little thank you note and the instructions for the heater. And it also has a warranty on it as well. Now, as for this heater, let me plug this up right quick because I want you guys to see how it works. Now, with this heater, I really like it because it's very small heater, it's very cute. And you know, guys, for safety purposes, you don't touch the grill here on the front when it's hot because you know you burn yourself. And the cleaning is easy cleaning on the top and the sides. You can use a mild soap and water and a towel to clean anything on the sides. But do not clean this area because you know you will mess up the heater. Now, what I like about this heater most of all, guys, is the fact that it rotates. That's one thing I like about this portable, small portable heater. It's a fan and it also rotates. And I like that fact about that. Also, guys, it is quick to heat up, so you don't have to wait for it to get hot. I mean, it's instantaneously gets hot. And also, it has a tip over protection, so it doesn't fall. So now, on the back is the power source. You turn it on and off here on the back. Okay? And on the top, once you turn it on, you touch this top button here after you turn it on the back, and the heater will come on. It's like a double safety. So in case a child touches the top or the bottom to cut it on, it has to be both. Plus, this button here has to be touched on a solid surface for it all to connect and come on. So it's a very protective, so for small kids can't just automatically turn it on. It needs to be all three things have to be dealt with before it should be turned on. So that's a good safety thing. And one thing I like about it is that when I was working in a juvenile system, I had my office in the flooring, my feet always felt like they were in a deep freezer while I was at work. And I wished I had a heater to keep my feet warm. This thing here, if it had been around that time, trust me, Stephanie would have had this heater in her office keeping her feet warm because this is a good heater. Now, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you guys how this heater comes on and the different levels. Okay, when you turn it on, you turn the back on, of course, like I said earlier, and you touch the top. You hear it? It's already on. There's a red light. Let me move you a little closer. The red light on the front comes on when the heater's on. Okay? Now, if you touch it again, it turns blue. It's a faster heat. Okay? Back to the red. And also, if you touch the first button up front, it shows you how it starts to rotate. I like this. I mean, the wind is blowing. It's very hot. I like that. I will stay warm definitely with this. And I like the size of it. It's very good for me to have in the office. So I think that's where it's going to be, in my office here at home, on the desk, and probably on a little stand underneath to keep my little toesies warm. But this is a great item for you guys to have. Like I said, it's reasonably priced. It's $35.99. And the company's name is COMLIFE, COMLIFE, and it's an Amazon-based company. So guys, I will leave a link to COMLIFE down in the description. So click on it and check them out. They have other products they offer. They offer fans and other home care items. So just check them out. I like some of the items they have listed on their page. And guys, you know how this goes. If you like my video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You know how it goes, guys. And follow me on my social media accounts. The social media accounts are listed below here on the screen, and they'll also be listed down below in the description. So guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.